In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the duration of photos in CapCut. Whether it's one image or multiple at once, I have got you covered. Let's get started. First, import your photos and drop them into the timeline. Select it and drop them to the timeline like this. Each photo will automatically have a default duration, usually around 3 seconds. Now, if you want to change the duration of each image one by one, it will take a lot of time, so just select like this and go to menu and go to settings. Now under edit, we have the image duration. You can change it to 2 seconds. Also, we have another option right here like frames. Click on frames. Now our frame rate is 30, so let's keep here 15. Once you have kept it, click on save. Now each of the images will take half second. Now again select all the images and bring it to the timeline. Now all the images duration will have just 2 seconds. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.